Send an ambulance, please. Send an ambulance, I'm bleeding to death.
Jaws and claws. In the ancient rainforests of northeast Australia, a living relic of the dinosaur age is making its stand. This magnificent creature, often called the world's most dangerous bird, is the cassowary. Towering, powerful, and cloaked in mystery, this flightless bird is a force of nature, a creature that seems almost too extraordinary to be real. But what makes the cassowary so dangerous? How has it survived for millions of years while so many of its prehistoric kin have vanished? Today, we explore the dangers and the secrets of the cassowary, a bird with a story as sharp as its claws. Imagine you're hiking through the dense, humid rainforests of Queensland, Australia. The air is thick with the scent of vegetation, and the only sounds are the rustling of leaves and distant bird calls. Suddenly, you sense a presence. You freeze, scared to move, and then, emerging from the undergrowth is a creature straight out of prehistory. Standing nearly 6 feet tall with a glossy black body, a vivid blue and red neck, and a horn-like casque on its head, the cassowary looks like something that belongs in a museum exhibit on dinosaurs. Except this creature's alive and staring right at you. From the moment you see a cassowary, one thing becomes clear. This is no ordinary bird. Its powerful legs are equipped with 3 toes, one of which bears a razor-sharp claw that can grow up to 5 inches long. This claw is its most lethal weapon, capable of delivering slashing blows that can maim or kill. Combined with its ability to run at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour and leap nearly 5 feet into the air, the cassowary is a formidable opponent. But what's even more fascinating is how these physical traits connected to its ancient relatives, the dinosaurs. The cassowary is often compared to the velociraptor, the fearsome predator popularized by the movie Jurassic Park. You can definitely see how people would draw comparisons to each other. The similarity of these two creatures is remarkable. Like the velociraptor, the cassowary is built for survival. Its dagger-like claw mirrors the weaponry of its prehistoric cousin, and its casque, the helmet-like structure on its head, is reminiscent of the crest seen on some dinosaur species. Scientists believe the casque may serve multiple purposes. It helps the cassowary push through dense undergrowth, acts as a display to signal dominance, and even amplifies its low-frequency calls, which can travel through the rainforest for miles. The females are the more dominant of the sexes, with the females typically being taller and more brightly colored. Despite their fearsome reputation, cassowaries are not natural aggressors. These birds are solitary and reclusive, preferring the quiet of the rainforest home. However, their interactions with humans tell a different story. Over the years, cassowaries have earned a reputation as dangerous animals, capable of inflicting severe injuries or worse when provoked. One chilling example occurred in 2019 in Florida. A 75-year-old man who kept a cassowary as a pet tragically lost his life after the bird attacked him. The man fell, and the cassowary's powerful legs delivered a fatal blow. He made a desperate 911 call, and then called his daughter, who rushed to save him, but unfortunately the trauma was too severe, and the man later succumbed to his injuries. This incident highlighted the risks of keeping such a wild and unpredictable creature in captivity. In their natural habitat, cassowaries are known to charge at perceived threats, using their claws to defend themselves. In this video, we see a man trying to protect himself using a shield. You can see how the cassowary leaps at the shield several times and tries to claw at the man. Imagine if he did not have this protection. In Queensland, hikers and locals have reported encounters that range from unsettling to outright terrifying. Feeding cassowaries can lead them to associate humans with food, increasing the likelihood of aggressive behavior. Studies show that a majority of cassowary attacks on humans occur because the birds have been fed by people, altering their natural instincts. Speaking of instincts, do us a favor and smash that subscribe button to be alerted to next week's video. Thanks. Now, the cassowary's story is about more than its own potential for danger. It faces many dangers itself. Fighting for its place in a sometimes hostile ecosystem can be tough. The threats remain ever present. Predators such as the amethystine python lurk in the shadows, ready to strike. This bird plays a vital role, however, earning it the title of a keystone species. Cassowaries are often called rainforest gardeners because of their unique role in seed dispersal. They consume a wide variety of fruits, including some that are toxic to other animals, and their digestive system processes the seeds before depositing them in nutrient-rich droppings. This process ensures the regeneration of rainforest plants and supports countless other species. In fact, some trees, like the endangered raiparosa, rely almost entirely on cassowaries for seed dispersal. Without these birds, the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem would collapse. The cassowary's role as a gardener of the rainforest is a testament to its adaptability. But life in the wild is anything but easy. Habitat destruction, human encroachment, and invasive species have made survival a constant challenge. Feral pigs, for instance, are a significant threat to cassowary nests. These invasive animals destroy eggs and compete for food resources. Pig-hunting dogs, often used to control these pests, inadvertently pose an even greater threat, especially to cassowary chicks. Despite the male cassowary's dedication to raising and protecting his young, many chicks fall victim to predators and environmental pressures. Let's pause for a moment to consider the unique parenting behavior of the cassowary. Unlike most birds, where females take on the primary caregiving role, it's the male cassowary who incubates the eggs and raises the chicks. After the female lays a clutch of large green eggs, she departs to breed with other males, leaving her mate to handle the rest. For about 50 days, the male incubates the eggs, rarely leaving the nest. Once the chicks hatch, he protects and guides them, teaching them how to forage and navigate the dense rainforest. This period of care can last up to 9 months, during which the male remains fiercely protective of his young. The journey from chick to adult cassowary is fraught with danger. Young cassowaries must learn quickly to avoid predators and adapt to the ever-changing environment. Female cassowaries, driven by their instinct to reproduce, may even force their mates to abandon chicks prematurely, adding another layer of complexity to their survival. These challenges underscore the resilience of the cassowary, a creature that has managed to endure despite the odds stacked against it. As we delve deeper into the cassowary's world, it's impossible not to marvel at its evolutionary history. Fossil evidence suggests that the cassowary's ancestors roamed the Earth millions of years ago. Its striking resemblance to prehistoric creatures offers a glimpse into a time when dinosaurs dominated the planet. This connection has captured the imagination of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, fueling studies into the evolutionary links between modern birds and their ancient relatives. The cassowary's prehistoric appearance and behavior also hold cultural significance. In some indigenous Australian communities, the bird is revered as a symbol of the rainforest's vitality. Its feathers and other parts are used in traditional ceremonies, reflecting a deep respect for the creature and its role in the natural world. This cultural connection highlights the importance of preserving not just the cassowary itself, but also the environment it inhabits. Today, conservation efforts are underway to protect the cassowary and its habitat. Wildlife corridors are being established to connect fragmented rainforest areas, allowing cassowaries to move safely between territories. Community education programs aim to reduce human-cassowary conflicts by teaching locals and tourists how to coexist with these remarkable birds. Simple actions like securing garbage and refraining from feeding cassowaries can make a significant difference in ensuring their survival. Despite these efforts, the cassowary remains a species at risk. Vehicle strikes are a leading cause of cassowary deaths in urbanized areas where roads cut through their habitats. Conservationists are calling for measures like speed limits and wildlife crossings to mitigate these threats. Protecting the cassowary isn't just about saving a single species. It's about preserving the intricate web of life that depends on this unique bird. As we conclude this journey into the world of the cassowary, one thing becomes clear. This bird is a testament to the resilience of nature. Its story is one of survival, adaptation, and the delicate balance between predator and prey. The cassowary's dual nature, as both a keystone species and a potential threat to humans, reminds us of the complexities of the natural world. By understanding and respecting this magnificent creature, we can play a part in ensuring that it continues to thrive for generations to come. For now, the cassowary stands as a symbol of the untamed spirit of the rainforest, a living relic of an era long past. Its fierce beauty and vital role in its ecosystem make it a creature of endless fascination, a true testament to the enduring power of nature. So, if you ever find yourself in the rainforest of Northeast Australia, remember, you're not just walking among trees and wildlife, you're walking among living dinosaurs.